The world of banking becomes a little bit more complex each year. Ever since BPI started envisioning a more phygital banking future, we have seen them push out more banking apps. Ones for our savings, investments, online wallets, and more places to keep your hard earned cash. But that's just BPI. With a multitude of options out there apart from them, knowing where to put your money can be very difficult. But what if you had a one stop shop for everything you need right at your fingertips? Well, thankfully there is, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. BPI Vybe. What is it? What can it do? And how is it different from the main BPI app you might have already installed? But perhaps the most important question is this: what rewards or benefits do we get from using BPI Vybe? Well, I'm Jose from Yugatech, and let's find out in today's video, which talks about the BPI Vybe app. Alright, right off the bat, let's clear the air. What in the world is BPI Vybe? Well, it's effectively BPI's e-wallet app. In this app, we can top up cash into our Vybe account, send cash to other Vybe users, or even transfer funds to other bank accounts. If you have ever used e-wallet apps such as Gcash, Maya, or the like, then BPI Vybe shouldn't be too intimidating. We can then use the Vybe e-wallet for almost anything we would want to buy. This then can make our daily transaction experiences a lot easier by using the Vybe app to pay instead of having to bring around a bundle of cash with us. We can even pay bills with BPI Vybe if we feel lazy making a trip to the Bayad Center. I mean, all of this is online at the tip of your fingertips. And as a bonus, we earn reward points while doing so too. Now, I'm sure some of you viewers might be wondering, do you need an existing BPI account to use BPI Vybe? Well, the answer is no. Even if we aren't existing BPI clients, we can create an account with Vybe. But what's even cool here is that BPI Vybe accounts have the ability to withdraw their digital funds in the form of cash at select BPI and Euronet ATMs, all without having to be a BPI ATM cardholder. I mean, imagine that. You don't need to open a BPI account just to withdraw cash from the ATM. As a result, this makes it very accessible to a wide range of people, even non-BPI account holders. To give you an idea of how simple it is to use, I actually opened up a Vybe account myself, and my setup process was done in no more than 5 minutes. First, you need to head to your device's respective app markets, which is Apple App Store for iPhones and Google Play Store for most Android devices. Then, you download the BPI Vybe app. Once downloaded, we can now choose to create an account. The app will then ask whether you have an existing BPI account or not. And since I do have a BPI account, I just added my information in and voila, I was done. From here, I can now top up my Vybe wallet through my BPI account, which is already connected to the app instantaneously. Best of all, there is no transfer fee when I'm topping up my Vybe wallet using my BPI account, which I'm sure some of you might find very, very enticing. I mean, do you really want to spend 5 to 10 or even 20 pesos just transferring money from your account to your e-wallet?
Sup, Miguel here, polishing the edit, and I just realized that Jose made a little boo-boo here. Vybe transfers to other e-wallets and other banks via InstaPay is actually free from now. Well, it started like somewhere around October, and it's been going on until now. So, pro tip.
But at the end of the day, it's still a heck of a lot more convenient than having to deposit funds by personally going to the bank or even opening another app entirely. And now, I can go out and use Vybe to shop, dine, and more. It's easy to pay too, since there's a QR code scanner that allows us to pay very quickly, which should pretty much work with all QRPH codes nationwide. Since we now know that Vybe is easy to set up and use, the next question to wonder about is, what are the rewards we get as a Vybe user? Well, we can use reward points that can be redeemed from partner merchants in the Vybe app, which you can see right here, there is a lot. These include restaurant vouchers, travel deals, shopping vouchers, and even Vybe exclusive promos. I mean, just look at this Vybe promo together with McDonald's. We can get a free hazelnut McFlurry, or even a tiramisu McFlurry if we use the Vibe app to purchase our meal. As someone who's into sweets, this is definitely and literally a sweet deal. Planning a family dinner out this Christmas, we can get vouchers for the bistro group too, and it's already here. There are other promos and probably more in the works. Just pick the one that suits you the best. There should be one reward that anyone here, or even myself, would like to eventually use. But how do we earn points? Well, I've already mentioned earlier that all we have to do is simply use the Vibe app. But there's more to it than that, like being able to earn an easy 250 points by adding funds to Vibe from the BPI app for the first time. We can also get 250 points for our first Vibe to Vibe send money transaction. Best of all, with our first QRPH transaction, we automatically earn 500 points, with an extra 100 points for each succeeding QRPH transaction with a minimum purchase of just 150 pesos. We can even earn points by paying for our bills via Vibe. These initial points are already enough for some rewards, but if you're someone like me, you can save up these points and go for the bigger rewards in the future. I mean, who knows what promos BPI Vybe has in store for the future, right? Maybe it's something I'll use for my birthday or any other special occasion. Either way, that's pretty much the BPI Vybe app this 2024. So, do you guys use Vibe? Got any interesting stories to share regarding your experience with BPI Vybe? Let us know in the comment sections down below. And of course, if you found this video informative or helpful, do drop a like and subscribe to watch more. Don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok. And of course, visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Jose, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy holidays!